This video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Kraken to another wallet. So from our Kraken home tab, we are going to click on the purple button down below. And in here, we're going to select withdraw. And from here, we are going to select the crypto that we want to transfer. And in my case, that is Bitcoin. So from here, you're going to select the network. And please be aware that you select the same network as that you are going to select on your other wallet. So I'm going to choose for Bitcoin. And in this screen, we need to add a new address. So we're going to click on add a new address. And here we're going to select the same network again, and that is Bitcoin. And here you need to paste in the withdrawal address. So for this, we are going to our other wallet, and I'm going to Coinbase in this tutorial. So from your other wallet, you are going to click on something that's saying transfer, and there you click on receive crypto. In my case, Bitcoin. And here you're going to select the same network as we previously did. So that is Bitcoin. And in here we see our wallet address. So you can either scan the QR code or you can copy this to your clipboard. And now we need to go back to our Kraken wallet. In our Kraken wallet, we are going to paste in the withdrawal address from our other wallet. And after that, we click on continue. Give your account a name for the overview. So in my case, that is Coinbase. Click on continue after. And now you need to click on confirm. In order to confirm the withdrawal and the possibility to transfer, Kraken sends an email to you to confirm the wallet address. So please check your junk or your spam. And after that, click on confirm address. So this will approve the withdrawal address. So now it is available. And now I can enter the amount of crypto that I want to transfer from Kraken to my other wallet. So be aware that there is a minimum for some cryptos. In my case, that is 18. But after you've entered above the minimum, you're going to click on review. After that, you're going to click on confirm, and then your transfer will be completed. So thank you for watching. Subscribe.